but it can buy me a boat. It can buy me a truck to pull it. It can buy me a Yeti 110 ass down with some silver bullets. Yeah, and I know what they say, money can't buy everything. Well, maybe so, but it can buy me a boat. They call me redneck, white trash, and blue collar, but I could change all that if I had a couple $1 million.
So as promised, I was going to show you guys how to replace the circuit boards and top caps in your power pole pumps. I finally got mine in the other day. The weather's been bad, so I couldn't get this video to you guys sooner to install them. But here they are. You got the two circuit boards right here and the two top caps right here. So let's get started in replacing these things. So first things first, your power pole pumps, there's going to be 4 screws on each top cap right here, and you're going to take those off. Now I already took the liberty of taking those off, just shorten down this video a little bit. Then you're going to lift up your top cap right here and just pull this ribbon wire out just like that. Now to keep this from getting confused with our old top caps, we're just going to set this in the box out of the way. Next thing we're going to do is come down here to our circuit board right here, and you want to make sure the power is off when you do this. So you're just going to disconnect your positive and negative wires right here, kind of bend those out of the way a little bit, just lift it up, and on the back side right here you'll see 3 wires right here that lead down into your actual pump. Then we're just going to pull these off. Alright, we're going to set the circuit board inside the box right there, grab a new circuit board, and you're going to look, each one of these wires right here, these white wires, has a little tag on it with a letter on it. So you're going to come down here to where they plug in, and you're just going to match up the letter. So W goes to W, U goes to U, and V goes to V. Pretty simple. We're just going to take this, slide it back down, push our wires down, and if you forget which one's the power and which one's the ground wire, just lift off your other cap right here and just look at that. So this wire right here is for your Bluetooth connectivity. I'm just going to route this to the top right here. Just to the top and out of the way. We're going to take our new cap, with the ribbon wire. Just push in the ribbon wire right there like that. There we go. Push in the new ribbon wire, and we're just going to set our top cap back on. Now, one thing about this thing has a O-ring around this top cap right here, so you want to make sure it's down before you put your top cap on. Now we're just going to hold pressure on the top cap to get a couple of these screws started. So what you don't want to happen is that O-ring to bind over or to pull up on you. You'll get water down in there, and I don't think Power Pole is going to replace it if it has moisture in the pump area. Now before you tighten all these down, make sure you have all the screws in there started first. Then we're just going to go around and evenly tighten these screws down. And that's it right there. I'm going to do this one off camera, and I'll come back to you to show you how to program it and test it. Alright, so now we got our new caps and our new circuit boards installed. So what we're going to do is test out the power poles right here. So first thing we're going to do is I'm going to turn my power poles on with this switch right here. And we got a green light on one of them, and we got the green light on the other one right there. So looks like we got good connections. You could hear the little beep and start up when it started up. So now what we're going to do is take off our covers on the power poles. And by the way, if you don't have covers on your power poles, it surely helps a lot with them keeping from bouncing around right here. Check out Russell Marine Products right there. They make some good power pole covers. I think these cost me like 35 bucks each. So we're going to take our remote, and on both power poles we're going to hold the program button down. You'll hear a little beep on both. The lights will be green, and we're going to hit the down button on the remote. The green solid lights go out, and our remote should be programmed to our pumps right now. So now we're going to test them. Power poles actuate down. And now the power poles go up. Try it down, automatic. They're down. Bring them up, and they're actuating good. So that's the end of the job right there on how to troubleshoot and fix your power poles. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and ask me, and I'll try to answer it to the best of my abilities. Until the next time, later guys.